So if you recorded bunch of video clips in your iPhone and now you want to reverse any of them, this tutorial River will guide you how to reverse videos without apps on iPhone. So the process will be very simple. Open your browser and type here reverse video online and open this website easygif.com. And now tap on choose file. All you have to need, just select the video you want to reverse. Tap on upload video. And here we can see the original video. You can mute your video sound from here, or you can also reverse your video music from here. And tap on reverse video. And here we can see the video has been successfully reversed. Now let's play the video here. So as you can see, the video has been successfully reversed and it's time to save the video. So tap on convert, selecting here MP4, and it's time to save the video. So tap on this save, tap on download, open in, tap on save to files, select a folder and tap on save. Now go to your files app, search for the video. Here is the video. As you can see, it's reversed. And if you want to save the video in your Photos app, tap on the share at the bottom left, tap on save video, and the video will be saved in your Photos app. So this is how we can reverse videos without apps on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.